gotta keep going. Woohoo! Buddy, your spring hanger, literally, you couldn't put a piece of paper between that spring and that rock. It just glid right over it.
Hey, you're on both of them in the back. Somebody needs to get a real good shot of that. That is
hang on.
Awesome from the front.
I got you right here.
All right.
That's on video. All you're gonna see right now is the rock and beneath. First off, anybody who says leaf springs doesn't flex can swallow my ass. Again, full stuff. Nice. Crunch. All metal. Oh, hang right there. Bo, hang on 1 second.